What's up, guys? Quick market update here. It seems like crypto is crashing, Bitcoin specifically. We tapped $69,000, which was all-time high from 2021, and now we have pulled back a good 14%, but we have bounced from there another halfway up to about $64,000. So it seems like we are recovering from this quick drop, but what we gotta see is this normal for this to happen when we tap the previous all-time high? Let me tell you why it is that this is okay and this is normal. We do not need to panic just yet. It's possible that we may bounce from here or within the next few days and keep going upwards. Let me show you why. So in 2017, this was the level where we tapped the weekly candle for the all-time high from 2017. So in 2021, we tapped the all-time high, then we dropped 17% for the week. Now, I do realize that this has been over the course of one day, even though it is a weekly candle. 14% is very, very drastic drop, but we are recovering. And so as long as we can maintain a decent recovery after this drop throughout the week here, it is possible that we bounce back. Now let's go look back at 2017, what happened when we tapped the all-time high from 2013. So in 2021, we got a 17% for the week, a pullback, and then notice we bounced back and went for all-time highs, and then we just blew up from there. So in 2017, what did we do when we tapped what was about $1,100 for the all-time high from 2013? Once again, we tapped the all-time high, then we retraced back down on the weekly candle of 26%, guys, 26% of the 1 week and 32% on the 2 week. And then we bounce back and we go on to set new all-time highs over and over again. So yes, it does look a little scary and everything else is dropping with it. But just like Bitcoin, everything will drop back, have a little pullback, and then most likely will bounce to set us off for new all-time highs going forward. And now, is this bullish or bearish for altcoins? Because the biggest move has been made on Bitcoin. And so it's a little bit too risky to take on Bitcoin here, I would say, because we've already reached previous all-time highs. Getting 3-4x from the bottom, that's gone because we're already at $70,000 where you could have bought at $16,000. And what's the best upside? Maybe we reach $140,000 and now you have doubled your money. But the opportunity lies in altcoins, guys, where here, as I showed you in yesterday's video, here we have the crypto total market cap, excluding the top 10 cryptos, that their dominance against the market. We can see here that we had a run up from June up until now, along with Bitcoin. But this run up does not complete our 5-wave Elliott wave. And we still got the last leg to go up here, the 5th Elliott wave. And so I think that what's going to happen here is as Bitcoin ranges sideways throughout the next few weeks and months, and we shoot up to go up higher, altcoins will have a chance to catch up and then hopefully go on to set new all-time highs. Now, a good thing to note is that normally when we've had this first yellow run here has been in 2020 and then previously in 2016, which were years in which Bitcoin did not pass the all-time high. Years where Bitcoin passed the all-time high was at the end of 2016. Then 2017 is where we had a massive bull run for altcoins. Same thing for 2021. Bitcoin didn't pass its all-time high until end of 2020, and then we had this massive run up. So it could be that we are front running this market because everybody's aware of what's happening. I'm more aware of Bitcoin and crypto. Most likely you are more than you were before, and many other people. So people tend to just come in and front run the market. And so it's possible that this green massive euphoric run that we had before is actually what's happening here. So it is just the first run happening a lot more intense, a lot more strong, giving us hopefully better returns throughout the next few months here, guys, and possibly the year. And this is important to note because, as I mentioned, Bitcoin didn't pass its all-time high previously here until November 2020. But we're only March 2024. We should be passing the all-time high at the end of the year 2024 over here. So if this is the case and we bounce back and we continue on this Bitcoin massive run, then hold on tight, because altcoins are going to run along with it, and even harder than Bitcoin itself. But also, if we don't run with Bitcoin, if Bitcoin does not pass its all-time high and simply retraces and just ranges here sideways and then we drop, this is also an opportunity for altcoins to run up to this fifth wave here, and then we can follow with Bitcoin. And at the end of the year, when Bitcoin finally passes its all-time high, we will run with it. That's all for today, guys. Manage your risk, but I just want to say the opportunity in altcoins are there no matter what, whether Bitcoin passes the all-time high or if it ranges sideways. It gives time for altcoins to run up as Bitcoin loses dominance while it ranges sideways, and then eventually will drop. And at that point, I would say it would be a good time to take profits, and I could see this happening maybe by April, May of 2024 here. It's possible that we drop from here, but unlikely. I would say first we gotta see altcoins run, for example Ethereum and all those other altcoins that haven't moved yet as much as Bitcoin. Catch you next time.